My name is Katie Jester. I'm a student in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama. This is my final reflection video for EDM 310. Some of the things I learned in EDM 310 were resources I can use in my future classroom. These resources came from both Dr. Strange through the blog assignments that we had to do, and also the teacher blogs that I had to read and write blogs about. Some examples of the things I learned that I can use are EasyBlogger, Poplet, and other resources mentioned in the blogs. Something I can take with me is the knowledge that I'm actually more technologically literate than I actually gave myself credit for at the beginning of this class. Things I'll probably abandon is, although I will keep growing my personal learning network, I wasn't a fan of Symbaloo, so that's probably one of the things I'm not going to use, but I did enjoy being actually exposed to that and lots of other different things throughout the class. Things I definitely want to use in my class is I want to incorporate blogging and project-based learning and also the flipped classroom idea. I'm not sure how exactly I'll be able to incorporate that into my future classroom because it'll depend on things such as what is accessible to me, the students that I'll have, such as their income or the income of their family or what they have at home, but I know I would want to use that, but I won't be able to say what I will be able to do with it until I actually have that classroom. Things I will not use is probably I'm not going to make them have to use a certain software to do a project. I'm sure that it was the main reason that we had to do that through this class was just so that we would have to have experience with that type of software, but that with my future students, I'm not going to require them to actually use one type of software. I'll most likely introduce them to several types of things so that they can do the project on whatever they need to, depending on what's available to them. EDM definitely changed me with my confidence in technology. I have a lot more skill than I realized, and now I feel like I can actually use it successfully.